welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So in today's video, as you guys already can see, I have my full, oh my god, do not mind my wig over there. Yeah, that's a wig. Today's video I am going to do a get unready with me. As you guys can see, it was because I was doing a photo shoot for my birthday. I got my tiara on and I still got everything on. I got my earrings on, I got everything on. So I was supposed to do it 2 days ago. Okay, whatever. I was supposed to do it like 2 days ago, but it wasn't working out because I do not really put on makeup or dress to go out. So I was like, let's get this opportunity to do this video. And I'm going to show you guys what skincare routine that I do, also like how I take off my makeup and what skincare stuff that I use for my face. So yeah guys, so first I'm going to show you guys how I take off my makeup first of all, because I need to go to sleep like ASAP because I'm really tired right now, as you guys can already tell. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so this was pretty much it of the video. This is what my skincare routine is and how I get unready, and at the end it really always leaves your skin soft as heck. So that's why I really like this skincare routine, and I'm actually liking it. And so yeah guys, thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys like the video, do not forget to click that like button down below and the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much. Bye.